Good morning everyone, welcome to day 9 of the North Cape trip, and today is the day we are going to the North Cape right now. 30 kilometers from the Hotel The View to the North Cape. I am hyped. Weather is good, you know, the last time I was here weather was not so good. I didn't see a thing, but now it looks actually very nice, even though there might be some clouds up there. But you know, I don't let things get spoiled today, you know. So you know, originally I planned 14 days to go all the way up to be here, on day 15 I think was planned to be the North Cape, and now it's day 9 already. So we did some nice progress. I calculated yesterday the kilometers we did. It's 4.4 thousand kilometers. So it was a lot through Norway. So we have like about 3,000 kilometers left to all the way down, because we're going through Sweden, and Sweden is more straightforward. So yes, that's why it's a bit shorter, that's why it doesn't add up one to one. So yeah, the night was good, you know. I had my own bed, but the hotel was expensive. I checked again, and here's a lot of gravel. It was 170 euros, so it is normal because it's a weekend, it's a season. It was fully booked, as I heard. So yeah, so I was lucky that I used certain apps to get a discount, even though it was just a small discount. A discount is a discount, you know. Whenever you save money, it's good. The water here is so nice. It is so clear. It's so blue, or I don't know what. It's not really blue, right? It's more like transparent. So yeah, but oh man, today, or this video, maybe other slices in two have like one dedicated North Cape traveling up video on the whatever there is around. And I'm not like, as I said yesterday, I'm not like one of those people that will wake up at 3 AM in the morning to have like a picture taken with the motorcycle in front of the globe at 4 AM, because now it's too touristy and they don't allow it. So yeah, I'm not like this. So, but look at the water. You know, we saw some huge fish yesterday. My father was like, yeah, let's grab the fishing rod. I was like, no, let's not do that. Yeah, it's fantastic. So many riders out already. So yeah, they're going all the way up. They have a look around. They buy maybe some souvenirs, and then on the way back. And the way back today is gonna be shorter. We're going basically all the way back. We came to Alta. That's only the main routes. Like we could go via Finland, but then it adds like another 3-4 hours. It's weird. It would be a different road, but then it's like it adds like too much to the trip. So we're not going to do that. We're going to Alta, and if the weather holds, we're going to camp outside. And if not, we will book something in Alta or surrounding areas. I found a like good white camping spot, so we're gonna do that. But anyway, I will see, or I will put a time lapse now. That's it. We're at the North Cape, and there's so many campers here. And of course, there's a cloud. Oh man, so many tents. Let's wait and see. Welcome to the North Cape. It's not the most southern point in Norway, there are others, but they made this out. Nice. I'll just go around a bit. So the parking for motorcycles is free. If you want to go to the main building, museum and restaurant or whatever, you need to actually pay. I did not know that. Maybe it's because of the season, but it's 31 euros per person. So I paid 62 euros just go into the freaking building. Let's hope it's worth it. I am so sorry for the breathing noise. I will open my visor a bit. Oh yeah. So yeah, it's actually very expensive to be honest. Like, in all honesty, it's very expensive. Last time I didn't go into the building and there was no one sitting at the desk to let me in. So yeah, I just drove through. Let's go to the globe. Okay, nice. So we're actually all the way up north there. Okay, let's continue. And there it is, the globe. Some stickers. I'm looking for one sticker that I found last time. And some locks as well. Okay. So this is the globe. This is the main North Cape attraction. And that's it. It's boys and girls. We made it. Almost 4,500 kilometers. That's it for the special North Cape episode. I will probably check in, have some drone footage, and another video will make 2 parts. The way to Alta and so on, and the setting up of the camp. Have a good one. Take care of yourself, and maybe you should come here. I'm kind of lucky that the weather's okay. So yeah. Talk to you next one. Bye bye. Ciao.